Alright, what's up YouTube? You know it's been a while, but I got a unboxing for you. I've been out of the game a little bit, but I'm getting back in the game. I got the new GT from Traxxas. Try to make this as quick as possible, and then I'll get some running videos for you. This car is beautiful. Oh yeah. Book. Got some goodies here. Way. The remote. Cutaway. Not bad. Alright. Here we go. Woo, this car is beautiful. Now I want to tell you, this is my first time unboxing it, but it's not the first time that it got unboxed because I had some work done to it. This right here is the Stampede motor, so it's brushless. I had some work done right out of the box. This is the old motor, and you'll see. I'll show you some running videos of it soon to come. Traxxas 4 GT in black. Beautiful. And we out.